Do you want to know how you can sign up for Remitly? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Remitly. Go ahead and install Remitly if you don't have it from the Play Store and go ahead and open it. After you open Remitly for the first time, you can choose your language, so you can select the language of your choice and click continue. If you do have a profile, click on create a new profile, or else you can click on I already have a profile and log into your account. Click on create a new profile, so you can see that you can sign up as a seafarer. Go ahead and tap on it. And you can continue as a seafarer, or if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on I'm not a seafarer. So if this doesn't open up, you can click on I already have an account. You can log into your account which you have on Remitly, or else click on create a new profile, choose the country which you want to send the money from, and now you must create a Remitly profile. The first step is to write down your email address. The second step is to write down a password. So go ahead and write down the password which is secured. Make sure to check your password as well. After that, scroll a bit down and write down your confirmed password as well. Then click on sign up. After you click on sign up, you can see that you can enable biometrics. So go ahead and click on enable biometrics. Tap on the screen. Wait for a while. And in a while, you will be signed up for Remitly. So guys, this is how easy it is to sign up for Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.